an Instagram story screenshot notifications? Hi guys, in this video I will answer on these questions. Basically, no, and I'm gonna show you like how. Now I'm in my Instagram. I post this story. Now I'm gonna go to another I have another Instagram, and I'm gonna take a screenshot of this story. I'm on my another Instagram account. What I'm gonna do is click on this story and I'm gonna screenshot the story. So now I'm on my how to media account, and let's go to notifications and see. Like you see, there is no screenshot notifications on my activity, but I can see who view my story. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.